Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and voice over. The metal shop was pretty loud. I didn't have my mics with me at the time. We're going to have the large wing nuts as an option for you. We're going to see if we can get this done in under 90 seconds. When you take your wing nuts off, the bolts fall right out of the bottom. When you're looking at your GruvGrill, you've got the sides in my left hand there. You're going to want to see the words GruvGrill on the outside when you put it together. So we've got 2 grooves on one side, 1 groove on the other. There you go, 1 on one side, 2 on the other. You're going to see why that's important. 10 gauge steel. We're going to pick this thing up. We're going to stand on it in a second here. I've got another clip I'm going to cut in here of me actually standing on top of the GruvGrill. 10 gauge stainless steel. It's not going to rust. You're not going to break it. Now, I'm not going to tell you you can't drive your car over it. I mean, if it's flat, you could. There's 3 grooves at the bottom, so those tabs slide into those 2. You've got 3 tabs there going into 3 grooves on the bottom. Fill this thing with charcoal, light it up, throw it around, pop it right on top, done. Less than a minute, maybe a minute 5 to put that thing together. Now, if you notice, I am a robust gentleman. I am not thin or slight. That is not a fake fat suit. I earned every inch of that waistline, and I'm going to stand on this GruvGrill 310 pounds. A lifetime warranty. Don't intentionally bend anything, and we will send you a brand new one for free. Just pay shipping, and we will replace your GruvGrill for the lifetime of the product. Now, when you're all done grilling, one of the best things about this 10 gauge steel, you're going to douse it with water. Get that thing from 1500 to 50 degrees in just a couple of seconds. Throw a bucket of water on it, pour a couple of water bottles in it, dump out those coals, cool this thing down right away. Your wife's having the baby. The game's about to start. You got a bad cell phone connection. Your buddies have better plans, whatever. You need a better fishing spot. Toss some water on it, pack it up, you're on your way. We will have guide holes on newer models, so when yours ships, you're going to have guide holes at the top rather than having to line it up with the grates.
The bolts actually go in the center to prevent pinch points on the handle. On this model that we have, this is the demo model, the prototype that we're still working with on these videos. You're going to put everything back in the opposite order.
We're going to count 0 tabs on each side, 1 tab on each side, and then we've got 2 tabs on each side.
I like to line these up so that they're both legible and facing out.
Now our thing here with the stainless steel, season it, don't season it, use it as a fire pit, bury it in the ground, whatever you want to do with it. It's not going to rust or rot away. You forget to season it once or twice, who cares? It's not going to rust, it's not going to deteriorate, it's not falling apart. This thing has got a lifetime warranty on it. Did you season it? I'm never going to ask you that. If this thing started rusting or falling apart for some reason, we will send you a new one, no questions asked. You're going to take it to the barbecue, you're going to throw it in the back of your truck, throw it in the back seat of the car. Always stainless steel, 10 gauge metal. Ships in the United States for free. So always stainless, always free shipping, always lifetime warranty.